BA, Boeing. Or many of you guys probably heard of that. But we're covering back on this one because we went through this one on our live stream on investorshangout.com/live on December 7th. And we looked at it. It was at a 151.85. And when we looked in that stream, I felt that it was going to start heading up. So everybody that's day trading this, anybody that's trading this, congratulations, because we were looking over this for the short term. Again, that was 151.85 on December 7th. It's went up since then. And right now, okay, so if we give you an idea where that was right over here when we looked at it. Okay, you see the line, and look what it did. Went up, and you hit a high of 158 even. So congratulations to that. Looking into the chart, okay, I base that off of a pattern. This channel trade, that it's just trading between that 10-day simple moving average right there, up and down through the upper Bollinger Band, and you've seen it get up here. If it continues to follow this channel, I know that Joe wants to add something to this, but if it continues to follow this channel, it's probably going to trade back down to, by the time it gets up there, about 154 and bounce off of that. So keep an eye on it. I think that you're just going to continue to channel trade. Joe, what did you say that something that you wanted to add?
So yeah, with Boeing right there, they the other day they announced Boeing seals nearly $17 billion deal with Iran to provide 80. They're going to sell 80 jetliners to Iran.
Really?
Mm-hmm. Completing the first major agreement between the U.S. company and Islamic Republic. So that was an article I just read from Wall Street Journal from yesterday. But then, I mean, then there's other things on it. Yeah, basically, people are saying, which makes sense, you know, what Kramer's saying right now about it. I mean, where they could come up with some, you know, challenges regarding that deal. But I mean, I couldn't imagine Congress saying no to that. I mean, we're trying to build our government or build our businesses, you know, our infrastructure by manufacturing things. So I mean, when you have a company that's going to sell $17 billion worth of planes to another country, I mean, you really can't go against something like that. I mean, I understand the other stance towards it, but I guess on a business sense, I mean, you just let it go, I guess, right? Like sell the planes,
right? Oh,
you know, they're basically saying there right now that Bowen's deal could face opposition in Congress and the White House. We will aggressively fight this deal in next Congress, though we probably won't even need new legislation to do it, said David Pash, communications director for Representative Peter Rosham, Republican. I believe he's in Illinois. The coming appointees of Treasury of State will no longer report to the White House, willing to bend over backward and ignore national security concerns, keep Iran from walking away from the nuclear deal. So I mean, it's basically going on saying that particular deal right there could, you know, face that, you know, like some issues. I don't know. I can't imagine it not going through. That's all.
All right, so I mean, that's basically it. Like I said, if you were watching this stream, investorshangout.com/live, congratulations to everybody. I mean, we like I said many times, we cover everything from little stocks to big stocks, 156. I mean, the last stock we were looking at was 0007. I mean, there's definitely a swing of stocks there. So that is all we have to add for stock ticker symbol BA Boeing.